Welcome to Vintage Wheels Chronicles. Today, we have on our agenda three truly iconic cars that rocked the automotive world with their bold designs, cutting-edge technology, and revolutionary ideas. In this issue, we take an in-depth look at three of their greatest creations: the Citroën SM, the Chrysler Turbine Car, and the NSU Ro 80. Let's go. Citroën SM. Introduced to the public in 1970, the Citroën SM was the result of the French automobile company. Citroën's desire to create not just a car, but a true symbol of progress. This car combined advanced technology, luxurious comfort, and amazing design, making it one of the most outstanding models of its time. The history of Citroën SM began in the late 1960s, when the Citroën company decided to enter the market of Gran Turismo cars. These cars were characterized by high power, comfort, and were designed for long journeys at high speeds. However, Citroën decided to go further and create not just a sports car, but a true masterpiece of engineering that could compete with the best cars of the time, such as Ferrari and Maserati. The exterior of the Citroën SM immediately caught the eye with its futuristic and elegant design. The car was designed under the direction of Robert Opron, who had previously worked on the equally legendary Citroën DS and GS models. The SM was given a streamlined body with a long hood, short rear end, and pronounced aerodynamic shapes. This design not only gave the car a dynamic and impetuous appearance, but also significantly improved its handling at high speeds. The front end of the Citroën SM featured a unique grille with 6 headlamps that could rotate with the steering wheel, illuminating the road even in the tightest corners. This solution was one of the first examples of adaptive lighting in automobiles and emphasized Citroën's commitment to innovation. The SM was also equipped with triplex wipers that maximized visibility even in heavy rain. Under the hood of the Citroën SM was a Maserati engine, which in itself was quite unusual for a French car. The SM was equipped with a 2.7-liter V6 engine, which developed 170 horsepower and allowed to accelerate up to 220 kilometers per hour. Later, in 1973, a more powerful 3.0-liter V6 variant was introduced, which improved the dynamic performance of the car and made it even more attractive for speed lovers. However, the Citroën SM's main technological achievement was its high-drop pneumatic suspension. This system, first introduced on the Citroën DS, allowed the ground clearance to be maintained at a constant level regardless of load and road surface quality. The SM hydro-pneumatic suspension provided unrivaled comfort and a smooth ride, making this car ideal for long journeys at high speed. In addition, the suspension could automatically adjust its stiffness depending on speed and road conditions, improving the car's handling and making its behavior on the road even more predictable. The interior of the Citroën SM was designed with the comfort and convenience of both driver and passengers in mind. Inside the car, high-quality materials including leather and wood were used, and the dashboard was designed in a minimalist style that emphasized the futuristic nature of the car. One of the key features of the interior was the unique single-spoke steering wheel, which not only gave the car a unique look, but also improved visibility of the instruments in the road. The Citroën SM also received advanced control systems for its time. Variable power steering provided ease of steering at low speeds and reliability at high speeds, while the self-centering steering system allowed the driver to always feel in control of the car. In addition, the SM was equipped with a semi-automatic gearbox, which made it easier to change gear and more comfortable to drive. The Citroën SM left a significant legacy in automotive history. Its unique design and advanced technology made it an iconic car that is still admired by car enthusiasts and collectors today. Today, the Citroën SM is one of the most coveted retro cars, and its surviving examples are valued for their weight in gold. Chrysler Turbine Car. The Chrysler Turbine Car is one of the most unique and ambitious models in American automotive history, embodying the desire for innovation and technological advancement. This car, launched in 1963, was equipped with a gas turbine engine, a technology that until then had been used exclusively in aviation. The Chrysler Turbine Car was a true experiment on wheels that showed how far engineers could go to find alternative solutions to traditional automobile engines. The Chrysler Turbine Car project began in the late 1940s, when Chrysler began exploring the use of gas turbine engines in automobiles. The gas turbine engine, developed for aviation, attracted the attention of engineers because of its high power, compactness, and ability to run on a variety of fuels, including diesel, kerosene, gasoline, and even vegetable oil. However, the task of adapting this engine for use in conventional road cars was extremely difficult and required radically new solutions. In 1954, Chrysler presented the first prototype of a gas turbine car, which aroused great interest among both specialists and the general public. However, the project required further development, and in 1963, the company released the Chrysler Turbine Car, a car that became the culmination of many years of research and experimentation. The exterior of the Chrysler Turbine Car was developed in collaboration with the Italian atelier Ghia, known for its elegant and modern cars. The turbine car received a body with smooth and streamlined lines, which emphasized its futuristic character. The front of the car was adorned with a chrome grille with a turbine pattern, which immediately hinted at the unique engine under the hood. Chrysler Turbine Car looked like a real car of the future, ready to conquer the roads. The most important and impressive element of the car was its engine. The Chrysler gas turbine engine consisted of four main components: compressor, combustion chamber, turbine, and heat exchanger. The principle of operation of the engine was based on compression of air by the compressor, which was then mixed with fuel and burned in the combustion chamber. The resulting energy rotated the turbine, which in turn drove the wheels of the car. This process was much simpler and more efficient than traditional reciprocating engines, making the gas turbine engine attractive for use in automobiles. The Chrysler Turbine Car gas turbine engine developed about 130 horsepower and was capable of accelerating the car up to 190 kilometers per hour. One of the main advantages of the engine was its ability to run on almost any type of fuel, which made the car extremely versatile. Drivers could refuel it with regular gasoline, as well as kerosene, diesel, or even vegetable oil, and the engine continued to work steadily and without interruptions. To evaluate the practicality and usability of gas turbine vehicles, Chrysler launched a test program that put 55 vehicles into the hands of ordinary people for everyday use. This program collected a lot of data and feedback that was supposed to help the company further develop and improve the technology. However, despite the interest and positive feedback from participants in the program, the project faced a number of technical and economic problems that eventually led to its closure. Although the Chrysler Turbine Car never became a production vehicle, it left a significant legacy in automotive history. This car demonstrated the courage and innovative thinking of engineers willing to go beyond traditional technology and seek new ways of development. Today, remaining examples of the Chrysler Turbine Car are in museums and private collections, where they continue to fascinate car enthusiasts and remind us how close we came to creating the cars of the future. NSU Ro 80. The NSU Ro 80 is a car that was a real revolution in the world of automotive industry, both due to its unique design and advanced technology. Launched in 1967 by the German company NSU, this mid-size sedan made a sensation thanks to the use of the Wankel rotary engine and elaborate aerodynamic design. The NSU Ro 80 became a symbol of innovation and a bold approach to automobile design, making it one of the most iconic models of its time. The story of the NSU Ro 80 began with NSU's ambitious plan to create a car that would stand out from the competition with its advanced solutions and high level of comfort. At the center of this concept was the Wankel rotary engine, which was developed by German engineer Felix Wankel in the 1950s. This engine was compact, lightweight, and highly powerful, making it ideal for use in passenger cars. The Wankel rotary engine installed in the NSU Ro 80 had a displacement of 1 liter and developed 115 horsepower, which was an impressive figure for the time. The engine worked on the principle of rotary piston rotation inside an oval combustion chamber, which allowed it to develop high power with a smaller displacement compared to traditional piston engines. This engine gave the Ro 80 a smooth ride and good driving dynamics, making it a real pleasure to drive. Apart from the revolutionary engine, the NSU Ro 80 was also notable for its design, which was futuristic and minimalist. The car received a streamlined body with a wedge shape, which helped to reduce aerodynamic drag and improve fuel efficiency. Large windows, flowing lines, and minimalist details gave the car a modern and elegant look that set it apart from other models of the time. Inside, the NSU Ro 80 also impressed with its level of comfort and elaborate interior. The vehicle was equipped with modern control systems, including semi-automatic transmission, power steering, and independent suspension on all wheels. These elements made driving the Ro 80 more comfortable and enjoyable, which was especially appreciated by drivers on long trips. Production of the NSU Ro 80 continued until 1977, when NSU was absorbed by Volkswagen and the project was closed. Nevertheless, the Ro 80 remains one of the most significant and recognizable cars in history, which is highly valued by collectors and car enthusiasts. This car symbolizes an era of innovation and progress in the automotive industry, when engineers were not afraid to experiment and offer bold solutions that changed the idea of what a car should be. Thank you for being with us at Vintage Wheels Chronicles and immersing yourself in the world of these unique cars. We hope you found our review of the Citroën SM, Chrysler Turbine Car, and NSU Ro 80 fascinating and informative. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like. See you in the next video.